There are 3 reasons why your online business will fail. There are 3 reasons why online businesses fail, and I'm going to show you how you can avoid failing in your online business, because you might have heard that 95% of the businesses fail within first 5 years, and only about 5% of the businesses actually succeed and make it to another 10 years. So I do not want you to fail while trying to build an online business. So if you can focus on these 3 reasons why actually people fail when trying to build an online business, you will be able to save a lot of heartache, pain, money, time, energy that you've been wasting and spending while trying to build your online business. The number one key area that you need to focus on is your mindset, because as you go about your day, your mindset keeps changing, and if your mindset keeps changing day to day, you will focus while trying to build a business. Maybe you're trying to sell a product or service and you're not getting a sale. So if you're trying to get a sale but you're not getting a sale, you'll get disappointed, and maybe you'll try to lower your prices. That can be one of the reasons why your mindset is not strong when you're trying to build an online business. If you're trying to if your mindset is affected, you will not focus on growth, whereas you will try to get distracted by other shiny objects that's along the way. So getting distracted by shiny objects is not a good way for you to focus on building your audience. If you can take a look at the previous video where I've covered how you can actually focus on these 4 key areas that will help you build your online business, and if you focus on those 4 key areas, you'll be able to build your online business with ease. Take a look at this in the cards above. So if you focus on your mind and make sure to take courses consistently, so that you're also watching YouTube videos like mine on my platform or any other platform of other creators who are actually successful. So make sure to watch consistent content so that you are always plugged into the system and you know what's actually happening in your audience. So if you focus on keeping your mindset sharp, you will not fail. Most people actually struggle when they are actually experiencing mindset issues, when they think that they're creating content and the content is not, they're launching a product and it's not selling, they're trying to DM people and it's not actually working out, or they're trying to grow their social media accounts, or they're trying to build an email list and it's not working out. So if your mindset suffers, you will actually stop and you'll pull yourself back and actually not pursue further or push yourself harder. So make sure to take care of your mindset. The second key thing that stops most people from actually building a profitable online business, or the business actually fails, is because they are not selling, they don't have an audience. So if they are not building an audience, if they just trying to run paid traffic to an audience, they do not know whom to target, they do not know whom to speak to, they do not know what kind of a messaging should be spoken or what kind of messaging goes to a particular audience. So if you can focus on building an audience by creating content first on social media or on YouTube or any other platform that you think you need to build your audience on, that your audience is hanging out on. If you can build an audience on that by creating consistent content, you will have an audience of customers who are consistently watching your content, getting value out of your content, and once you offer them something for free or you give them a product or service, they will instantly buy from you. That's when you will stop failing. If you are able to have a small audience, rather, when you start building your online business, if you focus on serving that small audience by offering products and services that is actually needed to help solve their problem, you will start getting paid. If you start getting paid, you should focus on increasing your income. So the third reason that most online businesses fail is because most online businesses do not sell the right thing to their products and services. So if you do not have your online business focused on lock, if your online business doesn't have those 4 key areas of growth that you need to focus on, you will actually struggle to. If you are focusing only on money, you will not be able to offer the customers the right product and services that they need, because money is a byproduct of the value that you are offering or the pain problem that you are actually solving for your customers. So money is a byproduct of all of those solutions that you are trying to solve. If you focus on money, you're looking to only take, but if you're focusing on value first, you're actually a byproduct of giving value, and inside the value is actually where you're actually solving their pain points, addressing their concerns, addressing their problems that they are actually going through. So make sure to avoid these 3 things. or make sure to actually focus on these 3 key areas, that so that you will not be able to Number 1 is to focus on your mindset. If you're consistently learning and you're consistently learning, educating and taking action on top of the content that you're actually watching, or you're learning from courses or mentors, you're consistently taking action, your mindset will be sharp and you will not fail. And the second reason why most online business fail is because they do not build an audience. If you do not to sell to, or you do not have an audience, you will actually struggle making money. Most people actually simply build an audience, but they attract the wrong audience. But if you do not attract your ideal audience, you will struggle. So focus on creating consistent content so that you will start building your ideal audience who will be ready to buy your products and services. And the third key reason that most online business fails is because they do not offer the right products and services to their customers. If you're focusing only on money, you will not be able to make your online business profitable, or your online business will fail. But if you focus on giving value, your online business will start generating money, and money is a result or a byproduct of value that you're offering. So I hope you found this video valuable. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, so that in the future that I'm creating a lot more videos on helping you solve your online business problems. So let me know in the comments below, if you watch this video till the end, let me know in the comments below what is the number 1 struggle that you're having when you're trying to build your online business. Are you struggling to figure out your niche? Are you struggling to do market research? Or are you struggling to create content on social media? Or are you struggling to drive traffic? Or are you struggling to build relationship with your audience? Or are you struggling to build an email list? Or are you struggling to monetize your audience? Whatever your concern is regarding building your online business, leave a comment below, so I will be able to create more videos and help you solve that problem. So hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description below, so that you will be able to find other products and services that will help you build your online business with ease.